Today we're on our second math test. Make sure you get your name at the top. Remember, our math test starts with our power-up test. So you'll do your facts at the top and then our problem at the bottom. It says 12 hours after 6 a.m. is 6 p.m. What time is 14 hours after 6 a.m.? So 6 a.m. 6 p.m. is 12 hours. So it would be 13 hours would be 7 p.m. So 14 hours would be what time? Right? 6 hours after 6 a.m. is 6 p.m. Sorry, 12 hours after 6 a.m. is 6 p.m. 13 hours would be 7 p.m. 14 hours would be what time here? Follow the pattern. And then make sure you've got all your problems, all your facts at the top done for your power-up test. All right, so pause the video. When you're done with that, press play for us to get on to the other part of our math test. If you're watching the video now, you should already be done with your power-up test. On our math test today, we need our two forms, our answer form and then our form with our questions on it. All right, so our form with our questions and then our form with the problems on it. Let's look at number 1. It says Pablo is 3rd in line. Nancy is 7th in line. How many people are between Pablo and Nancy? So remember, we want to start with our picture here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pablo's 3rd, so circle the 3rd. Nancy is 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so circle the 7th. And then how many people are in between? Don't forget to put your label of people on that problem. Number 2, Sarah has $35, Dinah has $53. Together, Sarah and Dinah have how much money? So together means we got to add, so we got to do 35 plus 53. When you find your answer, put it over here in the box to the side. Pause the video if you're not done with 2. I'm moving on to 3. 3 says use digits to write each number. 313. So 3, you'd write 313 just with digits with numbers. And then for number 4, 330. So use digits, use numbers to write 340 right here. Number 5, you need to use words to write that number. So, number 5, 919, you'd write 919. That'd be really, really small if I jammed that on this box, so I'm going to write seed box here. Remember, you could pause the video if I'm going too fast for you. Number 6. Number 6, we need to do the same thing for 840. So you're going to write 840 in this box. Number 7, the numbers 4, 5, and 9 form a fact family. Write 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts using these numbers. So you're going to do your addition. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9 plus 4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then start with 9. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Go ahead and write C box for that one as well. Then number 8, the digit 2 is in what place in each number? So look at these numbers here, underline the digit 2. Think, is it in our hundreds place, our tens place, or our ones place? Remember, ones is the last one, then tens, then hundreds. So I'm going to look at this one. It's the middle one, so it would be 10. So for A, I'd write tens. Do the same thing for B, which places the 2 in there, and C, which places the 2 in there. When you're done with all that, for 8, you could also write C box. It's a lot to squish in there. Number 9, which digit is in the tens place in 273? Hundreds, tens, ones, which one's in the tens, which one's in the middle? Number 10, it's just an addition problem, so do 34 plus 55. Answer goes over here when you find it. Pause the video if you're not done. I'm flipping over the back. Remember, you can always pause me if I'm going too fast. Number 11. We've got all these numbers, 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. I'm looking for numbers that equal 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So add those numbers up to get your total. 12, we just got a subtraction fact, so just 12 minus 9. Same with 13. 15 minus 7, and then 14. 36 plus 29. Pause the video. When you're done with the video, go ahead and keep pressing play. 15 says find each missing add-n. So if I have 7 plus n plus 2 equals 12, first I'm going to take 7 plus 2, and I know that equals 9. So n plus 9 equals 12, so flip it into a subtraction sentence. 12 minus 9 equals what? And then n would equal whatever you found for your subtraction sentence. Same thing here. 3 plus 8 plus n equals 18. 3 plus 8 is 11, so flip into a subtraction sentence. 18 minus 11, what do you get for n? Then go here to 17. Write a number sentence for this picture. So I've got 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. So you're going to do 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. Find out what it equals, and that whole thing will be your answer. 18, we've got some counting sequences. So we've got 8, 12, 16. Find what that's going up by, and then find the next 3 for that. 19, I've got 2, 5, 8. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8, so keep adding 3. What's 8 plus 3? 11, plus 3 more, 14, plus 3 more, 17. So on your box at your side, you get 11, 14, 17. Then for 20, it says, which of these numbers is an even number? Look at that last digit. 3, 5, 2, and 3. Well, 3 is not even, so it can't be A. Is 5 even? Is 2 even? Is 3 even? Whichever one of those numbers is even, that's what letter is going to be our answer for number 20. When you're done with that, make sure you put it back in your folder and check it off on your weekly checklist.